Hi, I'm Amy Clements and I've been teaching for 11 plus years. When I started teaching, I kind of hesitated for a couple of years when another teacher reached out to me, but then she was leaving and she needed someone to take her place. And so I felt like maybe this was the time. I didn't realize at that time though, how much I needed Let's Play Music, because within 2 years of when I started teaching, I first started teaching because I love music and I love the students, but after 2 years, my husband, he lost his job and he had a real struggle with employment from that point on. Let's Play Music has been the sole source of income for our family. And I didn't think that was possible to do. I am a homebody. I love to be with my children. I love to be with my grandchildren. And to be able to have a job that has an income where I have the flexibility to be able to choose my hours, the freedom to reschedule something if something is needed, or just the freedom of choosing how much work I'm going to do, how much I'm needed at home versus how much I can work and earn money, has been such a blessing in my life. And every day I kind of thank the Lord for blessing me with putting Let's Play Music into my life.